The Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project started in 1985 with the United States as a leader. It was a public scientific work. The purpose of this work was to understand, to identify, and to know all the genes that compose the body, or that compose the human being. So, what are the genes? It's a question that scientists and biologists or chemistry ask itself a lot. So the genes are big particles, big molecules that contains the information of the humans, and not only information of humans, information of all the life in the world, like information of bacteria, the information of the animals, the information of all the life. So the genes has information, but the genes express why are small, why my father is tall, why my mother is short, why my grandmother has blue eyes. This information is in the genes and is expressed in the genes. So it's very important to understand the genes, to understand why I are like this. So if I don't understand the genes, or the people don't understand the genes, they won't understand why they are physical like this. So, return to the Human Genome Project. This started in 1985, and the budget of the project was of $3,000 million. So it was a big amount of money to try to understand the genes. But the project hasn't found a lot of information about the genes. However, in 2003, a private company with Craig Venter as a leader identify all the genes that compose the human project. However, the scientists haven't understand the genes yet. They understand why the genes work like this, why make mistakes, and for example, it's important to understand the behavior of the genes, because if we understand the behavior of the genes, we can cure diseases like cancer, diabetes, or Down syndrome, because it's on the genes. This information is in the genes, so it's important to understand the genes, because with the genes we can work, we can know a lot of things, and we can cure a lot of diseases like, as I said, cancer, diabetes, Down syndrome, or syndromes that affect the babies and the persons in all the world.